Hi, I'm Randy with CargoGlide, and I am one of the sales reps here, and I'm going to show you guys the wall slide system. So basically here on this side we have a manual wall that slides out manually. Okay, and then over on this side we have the power wall that's motorized. So you just push a button, it goes right in, easy breezy, just like that. And if you work out in the weather, we have the canopy that slides out. It'll come over for full coverage so that you can slide out your CargoGlide on the floor and have a workspace. This keeps you from having to crawl in and out of the van, keeps you from having to bend over, trying to retrieve your tools from inside of the van, and it basically just keeps you from ever having to crawl in there again.
If you like this video, make sure you check out the rest of our product showcase series, as well as our Hot or Not series and our daily SEMA highlights.